Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply for the Temu affiliate program using your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in the app, tap the search bar and type Affiliate and Influencer Program. This will take you directly to the Affiliate and Influencer Program page. Once you're on this page, tap the Get Started button. Now select your role to begin. You can choose between the Facebook group option or the business publisher option. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Facebook group, then tap the Sign Up button. Next, on the Create Affiliate Account page, you'll see a link showing how to copy your Facebook group link. Tap the link and watch the instructions carefully. Once you're done, go back and paste your Facebook group link into the provided field. Next, check the box to agree to the Temu affiliate policy, and then tap Next. Now type your email address and tap the Submit button. After that, you'll receive a verification code at the email you entered. Type the code into the field and tap Submit Verification Code. Once you submit your application, Temu will review it and send you a confirmation email within 3 days. After you're approved, you're ready to start earning money through the Temu affiliate program. That's it. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.